All right, everybody out there in the Craft Chest Nation, as I, Craft Chest, here with another, well, not really unveiling. It's not that big of a deal, but I wanted to share with you, wow, 100 feet. I just got in, so I'm going to rewire my car. So I bought 100 feet of, what do you call it, OFC, oxygen-free copper wire. And here it is right here, and I don't know if you can see that. Let me see how close I can get this. See right there at the bottom down here? Made in Germany. I'm not doing this on purpose, I promise. I got this in and I didn't pay attention to it when I ordered it. I don't think it did anyway. And it says made in Germany. That's crazy. So we got the Blue Point stereos for the car, and then I ordered 100 feet, and this is heavy. I don't know I don't have a scale, but that's gotta be close to 8 to 10 pounds of wire. It's gotta be. That is a heavy set of wire. It's 14 gauge OFC, and we're gonna rewire the car. So from here, I am going to actually take, and I got my 15 foot, let me grab that, I'll show you that too. I got my 15 foot USB cable, USB 3.0, and we'll actually open this right quick because I'm about to use this. So let's take this out of the package here, and this is a 15 foot USB 3.0 cable. Yes, I know most webcams are only 2.0, but you know what? The prices were no different. As you can see, the little blue in there, that's usually an indicator of 3.0. Female connector here, male connector here, goes into the PC, and it's 15 feet. And what I'm going to do is actually go outside and finish cleaning out from under the carport, and I'm going to have a little staging area out there with the table, and set up the computer and grab an Ethernet cable that should be long enough to reach out there. I'm not 100% on that, but it reaches from here, goes across and across the house over to where I was going to have the mining rig. But we've since shut that down and put that back to just a regular PC with all the regular BIOS, and put the A10 back into CPU, APU mode. And so I can just run a webcam off of that computer, because it's a gaming rig. That's the old gaming rig, actually. That's the X88 A10 that we originally put the RX 480 in. And we're going to put this on there and try to use the HD 5000, which if I can find some drivers, I should have the drivers for Windows 7 on that PC. So we got a lot of things happening, and now we're gonna try to use all this and a couple other little knickknacks and get outside under the carport and do some rewiring on the car. I've taken panels off, I've done measurements, seeing exactly what I needed to do. A lot of my car is gutted out on the inside, for a lot of reasons, but mainly just to get her maintenance and back to 100%. And I was really surprised, as old as my car is, most all of my panels have not faded. My door panels are still good. There's a couple little loose spots from over time, you know, those little plastic things, they wear out, but all in all, we're in good shape to get out there on that. And so if you're here for the gaming, we'll get back to that at some point, but right now it's this weather, man. You know, as bad as it's been, trees falling on the house. That's something else I need to do today too, is go over there. We got the tree cut down, it's on the ground. I got to get it out to the street. Don't have a chainsaw personally to cut the big trunk, but we're gonna get what we can out to the street, and that's it. So just a little update video. Got 100 feet of oxygen-free 14 gauge wire made in Das Germany. The Das Germans. And oh, it's even got a little quality card inside of here. Look at here. What does that say? I don't want to open this up until I'm ready for it. It says, oh, it's in German. Never mind. Can't read that. So there you go. 15 foot USB. I'm going to see about getting this computer outside. We got extra monitors for it. Not a big deal. Ooh, man, I'm excited. Get the carport ready to go. It's a craft of the mind, everybody. Go out there and have some fun. We'll see you on the next one.